morning, students. Today we're going to go over how to access your Rapid Identity and how to get into your Google Classroom. The easiest way to get into your Rapid Identities is go to the school website. And once you get in there, you will have access to it through your students. So you have your tabs at the top, go to Students, you're going to go to Wake ID. You should come up to this. If you haven't already logged in, I've already logged in, so I'm going to log out real quick. I'm going to just show you how to do it, logging in for the first time. So for you as a student, you would click Student. Mr. Culp is not a student, so I will not do that. And so you can come up to your Rapid Identity. So you're going to click right here, and it'll come up to all your little apps. If you don't have Google Classroom on yours, so for example, I don't have Google Classroom, you're going to go up to this little plus button, hit it, and then you're going to go over to where it says WCPSS recommended. You can also go to other things, but this is the easiest way. And you can go to Google Classroom and add it. It's now been added. So we'll go back, and Google Classroom's right here. And so this is where you'll be able to access all your Google Classrooms for all your classes. Thank you so much, and have a great day.